Hello guys, today we gonna discuss about the video TDR issue I'm facing using Adobe Photoshop, and I tried many drivers of NVIDIA, multiple drivers like 566, 566, 61 to like 476, driver number 476. Let me show you uh, softwares and G2 drivers. To see, here is a list of drivers I have tested. Maybe yeah, you can see clearly in this video. So 456.71 driver was like not was is highly compatible. Uh, this does not cause any video TDR issue while using this Adobe application or any Adobe application. Otherwise, 561, 566, all the variants, any other version rather than this 456.71 will cause video TDR. In my case, I am using a Asus FX 553 VD laptop in which we have NVIDIA 1050 GTX 1050 2GB variant. So I'm facing this issue since 2017 or 18. I tried multiple solutions, but some games I have played and I'm playing which needs higher driver version like 566. So I was when I have to work on something related to designing, I have to go back to 456 and switching back to 566. Like RDR2, I have this here. This game does not work on 456.72. So when I have to play the game, I'm installing the 566 driver version, and when I have to work on Adobe, I have to install 476 version. So I have came across a solution for me which is working out quite good, and this is a simple method you can follow, and your Adobe solution, this solution gonna work on like for your Photoshop. I have tested heavily on Photoshop. It works fine. So what you have to do is open your Adobe Photoshop. I'm using a latest version. Okay, and the driver version I'm using here is NVIDIA. See, 56.36. My Adobe is working fine, really fine here. And all you have to do is go to your edit, then preferences and technology previews. Just enable this older GPU mode pre 2016. Here it says enable this feature if your GPU is older than 2016 or does not support DirectX 12 or later, or if you have performance instability, have an older GPU option may using virtual GPUs as with virtual machine, and even your cards with GPU older GPU drivers. So just enable this and you can use any driver. I am using the latest NVIDIA driver which is working really nice with no video TDR issue at all. I'm playing all the games. Like you see, I'm playing AC Mirage, RDR2, Tekken 7 while using Adobe Photoshop. And this one setting can really help you, and try using this. I'm using this on GTX 1050 2GB VRAM. Try on your, if you are facing any other card apart from GTX 1050, try this out and let me know in the comment section. If you have any other issues, you can comment in my section, and I will really try to help you out. My next video gonna be how to play games on a 2GB VRAM card efficiently. If this video help you in any way, please do subscribe my channel, and thank you.